so today I'm going to be doing my Boxy charm box. I guess I'll show you the box. I could do it this way. There is no information on here. I don't know what is with the customs lately, but they have been putting stickers on both sides of my top boxes and like even on the sides. Seriously, what the heck is going on? I can't even show you the box because there's so much personal information on this thing. Yeah. Anyway, if you guys want to see my June Boxy charm video, this is it. If you guys are new, thank you for joining me, and if you guys are not new, thank you for rejoining me and coming back. I really appreciate it. I also appreciate any new people watching as well. So if you have not already, hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my super fun videos are coming out. So if you want to see what is in my Boxy charm for June, just keep watching. So I'm just going to, this is what the box looks like on the inside. I can't really show you the outside. So fun thing is they sent this lovely thing. This one this month is called Caribbean Queen, and we all know your girl likes some Caribbean summer stuff. So excited, and of course it's got the fold-out one. Okay, so jumping right into this. There is this small size of the Soul Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And I'm just going to open this because I'm super excited. Oh, geez. Okay, I'm just going to open this. I don't want to waste any of this. This stuff I know is expensive. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. So that is what it looks like. This smells insane. So there is 25 milliliters in here, and this small size retails for $10, so that is pretty cool. It is so smooth, and oh, I love it. I couldn't wear this to work because it is a bit greasy. Not greasy, but like, you know when you put hand cream on and you can feel, because it's nice and dense, it's a nice dense hand cream. That is what this is feeling like. I don't think that this is something I will probably be wearing on my hands quite often, but I'm definitely going to be using this as a body cream. It's a fast absorbing body cream, so that's cool. Up next is this right here, and there is 3 brushes in here, and these look like they're from Luxy. So I absolutely love Luxy brushes. I have gotten a few of them in boxes before, and I've also gotten them in top box. So these are the 3 that they came in, 3-piece, and this is the Luxy 516, and this is the dual fiber powder brush. And then the next one is this one, and this is the Luxy 660 brush, and this is the precision foundation brush. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to use these for, but then this one is the Luxy 522, and this is the tapered highlighter brush. This is definitely going to be a highlight brush. I'm always on the lookout for really cool new highlighter brushes. I will try them. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these 2 for what they actually say they are. I probably won't use them for foundation. I'll probably use them for something else. $42, so that is pretty good. Up next is this Je te Bleu. I do not know how to, man, I'm pretty sure this is French, and my French has gone downhill, and it is just a black eyeliner pencil. I would do a swatch, but I'm actually going to be giving this away. I still have one of these, and I don't use kohl eyeliner like very often, like ever. I don't even remember the last time I used a kohl eyeliner. I think I was probably doing a makeup tutorial on like a package or something. So this is just gonna go in a giveaway, so I'm not gonna do a swatch for you. It is a black eyeliner. Next up, I have this in here, and this is Girlactic Matte Lip Paint. This is in the color Blossom. Oh, sorry. Okay. So that eyeliner is a $5 eyeliner. Do a swatch for you guys. That is very pretty. I've gotten Girlactic before in our Boxy charm, and I actually might already have this lipstick. I haven't really checked, but this lipstick retails for $23, and I actually really do like the Girlactic lipsticks. These are nice, and they don't make your lips super dry, and the colors are pretty nice. So if I don't have that one, then I will keep it and use it. If I have that one, then that will be going to a friend. All right, so there are 2 more items left in said Boxy charm, and I am super excited for both of them. This here is the next item, and this is the Baddington Monroe Silk eyelashes. So those are what they look like. They are 3D layered Baddington eyelashes. And those retail for $28. That's some pretty expensive eyelashes. They come in this really cute little box, and I'm definitely going to be keeping this box. I don't wear eyelashes very often, so there is that, but I do absolutely love eyelashes. I literally have a drawer full of them that I barely use. I don't know why I have so many of them, honestly, but all right. The last thing in here is this. This is the LMR, I think it's called. I know it's Spanish. I am definitely sure it is a Spanish eyeshadow palette. This is the girl that actually, one of the ladies that works for Boxy Charm and is a makeup artist, made this palette. This palette is, I've seen this, I saw some videos, and I was super excited when I realized we were getting this. I was actually going to purchase this palette because I actually really loved the colors and everything. So this is what it looks like for all of you who have not seen this palette yet. And this is obviously volume 1. Oh, mine's a bit dirty. That's cool. Those colors are literally amazing. They scream Caribbean, especially these 2 right here. These 2 scream Caribbean beachy, and I'm super ecstatic. I'm going to do some swatches for you guys. Like I said, I was actually going to buy this palette before I found out that it came in our Boxy Charm, and I was thinking about it, and I was going to go online, and then I saw a sneak peek for Boxy Charm, and I was like, yes please, I'm buying. I'm super ecstatic that this came in here. On my hand right here are the dark brown, so this one here, and that is, yeah, you know what, I'm not going to pronounce those. My Spanish is really bad. So then that one is the reddy color, and then of course that one is the blue, and then this one's the greeny turquoise color. So those are that. This palette retails for $38. No, this is only a $28 palette. That is really good. That is inexpensive. They have such great, such great color payoff. I'm super excited to try this. If you guys want to see a video on me actually using this palette and the looks I can come up with it, leave me a comment in the comments below. So altogether, the box was $136 this month. That is pretty good. I am super excited about the palette, and I'm definitely going to be using the Luxie brushes, and definitely going to be using the eyelashes whenever I actually put on eyelashes, and then this is definitely going to get used. So the only thing I'm not super excited for was the lipstick, because I think I already have this color, and the eyeliner, because I don't use kohl eyeliner very often. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye! That this would be the cutest thing to get from it. It is, of course, the Tarte Mermaid Shell brush holder, so you put your brushes inside. It's not a huge place to put brushes in, but I think I'm going to use it for some of my really major brushes I use all the time.